Alright. Yo, Kogency, Reacts channel. I watched her pop the balloon earlier today. And I really like it. And I really like this girl right here, so. At the start of this video. So I was like, yo. Alright, if I go watch it, let me just react to it and done. You know what I'm saying? Because I did like the video that I reacted to today. So let me see if I can get a nice reaction out of this as well. But first of all, big up Almighty Nation. Subscribe to him channel, like the video. Subscribe to my channel, like my video. Let me see this nice, beautiful, clean skin, sexy woman I talk about. Yeah! Check out the music channel, gaming channel, and Instagram in the description. And let's jump into the video. Oh, blow me a kiss, baby! Oh, light skin woman. Okay. Our fight big door bumbo clot. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Forehead big in the beautiful sea. Jesus. Our skin clean still. Our fire just big though. Well on there. Oh, it's twins. Oh, we got double the forehead. Ooh, double the forehead, double the forehead. Yeah, and them thick and nice and rich and spice and yes. Wait. Mama, why you look so? I like her, but I can tell she fast. Like she give Wally for trouble. I can tell she give Wally for trouble. Boy, big man. Alright, mama. Big man.
Yes, welcome to another episode of Popping the Balloon.
So hold on there, where for your intro there? Mama, where your intro there? Me don't want to see you walk out tonight with your sexy hourglass shape. Watch how she shape good.
And today, we're here for one reason. And that reason is to find love. So we have some beautiful ladies here, as you can see.
Yo! Yeah. This light up is a lot of me. I can't complain about this light up. I like every girl in this, like every woman did this light up right now.
Ladies, it'll make so nice, huh? Alright, so ladies, so based off their appearance, you can pop on the balloon. So as you see them, based off of their appearance, you pop on the balloon. Alright? So if you don't like them, don't pop the balloon. Alright? So first person. Yo, so where you pop it for your friend? What you mean? Oh. God. Alright. So couple people will pop them balloon, but don't watch that. So what's your name, sir? 130. Talk up, man. 130. Alright, so don't know, so there with 130. So Verti, what you do? I'm an upcoming artist. Why come like everybody pop them balloon? Verti, you look away. But maybe I have to sing one song and see if I can change their mind.
Yeah, I must see that if I forgot the brother.
You don't know artist, eh? You don't know artist? Alright.
No. What she mean for?
You don't know artist?
What you mean for? What you mean by that? You know, see how your shots are itch up in your front crotch right here, so. But for? Oh, I'm telling my girl, fix up yourself, man. Boy, I ask for. We are a human being too. Remember, say you have celebrity crush with an artist, you know. I'm sure if Dexter Daps come and sing 2 songs in a year, they wet up, you know. So nobody talk about for. Where man want you for? Eh? Where you for? For. Yeah, for.
Alright, Verti, I will ask each one of them why them pop the balloon. So we start from here. Alright? You know, come. Why did you pop the balloon?
Not my cup of coffee.
Why?
He's just not my cup of coffee. He said appearance and not my cup of coffee.
He's not your cup of coffee.
No.
So, what you saying him again?
130.
Alright, so Verti, so if she never pop a balloon, would she be a match?
No, bro.
She not your match?
No time.
Why? Why she not your match?
First of all, I don't really like the thickers. I'm more of a slimmers type of guy, you see me? Plus, bro, she just don't have a buzz, dog. I see it.
Where is it? She don't have a buzz?
No, dog.
What you think about that? What you think about that?
No offense taken.
Okay. So you're alright with that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So we can move on to the next person now. Alright, so you say you like slim man, so she's slim. Why you fuck balloon first?
Whatever it's yeah, just not my cup of tea either, no offense. But like no offense as much
You see me? You see how she nice? You see, yo, I can tell my type from a mile away, you know. From the first, literally from before me even start the video, I claim her. So don't try go like you want. Try look my woman now because she articulate herself well, and I go on like a nice, decent young lady. Don't try pre my woman now, youth. Me claim my woman already. Choose a different woman in our lineup. Go choose another twin them or something, brother. Love me and my woman. Sweetie.
to say, but I just not my
Alright, so how much should I rate Verti out of 1 to 10?
words can get 1-6.
1.6? Now do 6.5?
Baby mother give you a 10,000. 10 million, billion, gazillion, trillion, thousand, million.
1-6, 136 good.
So Verti, what do you think? If she never bust a balloon, would she be a perfect match?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, so how much should I rate her out of 10?
Verti, keep it short and simple. You should have just say yeah. You never have to add the definitely. No, me I pray you. Me did I go listen one of your song them after this. But I feel like no, you like my woman. And I feel like no, you want to look my woman. So no, I not play a song.
I get around 8 still.
8.
See the baby, that's why you know for hey don't go to him, you know. You see him give you a 8, me give you a 10,000. You know where you need to be. Call me.
What do you think about that?
Call me, yeah.
See, the man get 8 and you bust a balloon for the man. You want one next balloon?
Okay.
You okay? Alright, Verti. To move on. Hello? Why did you bust your balloon?
Because into Haga.
Into Maga? Some fat guy you like?
Yeah.
Well, we have a whole heap of fat guy around here, you know, so make sure you don't bust the balloon, you know. A whole heap of them around there.
Alright.
So how much should I rate him? Out on a scale of 1 to 10?
1-7.
7. What you say? So
Yo,
she never bust a balloon, would she be a
baby, don't squeeze up your breast like that and attack so. Shit, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, excite me. Stop that.
match?
Probably.
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 Say I think about it.
Yeah, I think about it. Probably.
How much should I rate her out of 10?
Nice go 5, you see me?
5? Hold on, spin on straight. Yeah, hold on, spin on. How much should I rate her again?
Nice go 5. Nah,
Still 5 and you should just spin on a while ago? Eh?
Dong.
Alright, make a move on. Why you bust
No, 5. But now gonna lie, me wouldn't give her a 5 still. But I give her about a 6. But me now give her a 5. Don't do that.
a balloon?
Not very much.
You know like slim guys, everybody like fat.
Too short.
Too short.
Yeah, taller than him.
So how much should I give him? How much should I rate him out of 10?
He's handsome, not gonna lie. I will give him a 7, steady 7 out of 10.
Alright. Remember say that artist and so name boss. Make sure so you remember say you say never like him.
Support you. I'll still support you.
Alright, me like that. How much should I rate her?
Oh, why she lick her lips with the tongue ring? Oh, God. God is good. God is good. God is good to me. How could I let him down? How could I let him down? How could I let him down? He's so good to me. God no most good, man. If me can dip on earth with them nice sexy girl where I flick out the tongue pon the ray and the tail and the fray and the hair. Come here, baby. Come here now. What's your name? Where them Instagram? What them name? No man, me need something, man. Make me know them now.
Remember say you
Bro, look how her face just oh God, man.
say never like him.
Support you. I'll still support you.
Alright,
Look
me
how she
like
talk
that.
nice and
How much should I
sweet.
rate her out of 10?
because of what she said, me I'll give her a 10, you see me?
10?
Because of what she said.
Yeah. Yo, me not like oh Verti. I like the woman them with me like, you know. Verti, you need to go choose some different woman, brother. Me not like that style.
Alright. So we can move on to the next person. Why did you was are she the first person was a balloon, you know?
I was the last person
Last
who
person.
said that.
Alright, why you bust a balloon?
Because he's too slim. But I'm a little bit taller than him. I like my guy, him thick and tall. And dark. I like guys dark. See?
You're not tall, so you're
I did I go say might have a little chance, but she said dark, dark. Brother, what's the point, bro? Like, rascal, what was that? Is everything working? Hold on, let me check my recording. Hello, check. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Play this.
So I want match. I want match, What think about it? So much did I rate him out of 10?
Yo, I just fuck up something over this a while ago and I don't know what it was. But after the video, I figure that out. Man, forget what me that go say. Bumbuckler, man. Oh, what is the thing with skin color now, bro? Like, what that? So, like, I'm not even getting at that. But, yo, Jano Star, because, like, I can't control that, My natural skin tone and you go just... But then if me go say no, yo, me no date black woman and I don't date dark skinned women, Ray, you gotta hear the most things, Alright. You know what? Alright, fine. Play the bumbuck.
Like him a bleach.
You my bleach?
Yeah, like him a rub because I don't like guys who tone or nothing.
No, man, I son, man.
Natural complexion.
I son in a bleach. So much I rate him out of 10?
You have a look at your and thing I go on. You can get a 7.
7.
Yeah,
What do you think about that?
I can go on for sure. 7 can go on. But watch out, I don't go put towards still, but I don't like girl who wear pants and crocs, you see me?
Yeah.
Eh? What you say? Alright.
But the thing is, me like girl who wear pants and crocs, so she are my type and her vibe, and I like the little raspiness in her voice, and but she not gonna like me, dog, call me brown, dog. Like, no, think about that. No, let's stop and think about it. Like, I coulda be a match, I coulda be your soul mate. Don't think about physical appearance, think about soul to soul connection. I coulda breed you. But because I'm not dark, you know what? I give up on love anyway, bro. So I don't care. It's just, I thought we had something going on.
Wears a cargo pants and he just no look.
You say blend in?
If you see me, yeah, dog, and I just a regular white. No, bro.
Pants and crocs. So you think with pants and crocs? Are your style that or what?
Well, I love my crocs and I could exaggerate a little more upon film dressing, but I don't want to bring down a nigga as me I say. So I just leave it there and I go towards him dressing because I don't want to hurt him feelings too much. But it's okay. I like crocs. That can testify for all our girls. Every girls love crocs. It's very comfortable. So yeah.
Alright, so crocs have a buzz. Everybody get crocs. Alright.
You see me, cause guess what me have on right now? So like, me and her coulda have on crocs together. But because I'm brown. Because you're not dark. You're not dark. Ah, dog. I hope you find a dark skin man who wear crocs. Cause I don't know a leap of dark skin man who wear crocs still. I'm saying.
Let's move on. Why you bust a balloon? She first bust a balloon?
No.
Baby!
Why you take so long for burst a balloon? Like you not think?
I love
Me
her.
just like thick guys, big chest.
Wait, what she said she like? What she said she like? Big what? My mama flop.
No, me not have more to say.
So how much did I rate him out of 10?
Big chest, I love sleep on chest, I love
What?
cuddle.
Come sleep on this. Come
Say
sleep
that,
on
just mother.
this. Come sleep on this.
Feel interested?
No, I'm mad.
Maybe I shirt. Maybe I shirt.
No, honestly,
So much did I rate him out of 10?
I'll give him an 8.
So if you have a big chest and I get a 10,
Yeah.
how much did I rate her, my boss?
6 still, cause our titty them too small, as me, bro. I love suck for her breast and some style, where her breast ain't too little, dog.
Your breast ain't too little.
You know, say, me no believe that though. Cause the other girl them wey rate 8 and 9 and 10, the whole of them titty little, the whole of them breast small. But me like that still. Me like the fact say him not like my woman. Get the fuck out of here. What the bumper clad here, youth. Back up off of my woman, boy. I rate my woman 6. Get the fuck out.
Yeah.
Alright, so she love big chest and you love big breast.
Yeah.
Alright, so how much you rate her, you say?
6.
What do you think, boy? 6.
You good?
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Shake her, shake her, shake her. On the shake her.
Big ass and
Yes.
big chest. Same time.
Wait a sec, God can bless it everything one time.
Can bless with everything one time.
That means that she have the. She have the back it up on the dumper choke. Turn round for your blood clot fuck. Sorry. Yo, I need to calm down, you know. What is wrong with you? Jesus Christ, man.
I'm okay with this.
Alright, so let's move on. Where was the balloon? Peer pressure?
No, it's just not me.
Not you.
No.
What's you?
I'm not gonna go into that, but it's just not me.
How much did I rate him out of 10? Shh. How much did I rate him out of 10?
I'm gonna give him a 5.
5?
Yeah.
What do you think about that, boss?
Same thing me there, so I think, you see me. She short and she look good and everything, but she give me a sister vibe, so me just say 5, is it?
5. Alright. Sound good. Alright. Let's move on.
Yeah, man, have much for say about
Did you
her.
bust your
Big
balloon?
man, big man.
I bust my balloon.
Oh, okay. Why did you bust a balloon?
This is just not my type.
Big man.
What's your type?
I won't say no.
How much did I rate him out of 10?
Not even my 6.
You like, he look too young?
He's young, yeah. He's young.
What you say?
I'm a 7 still, but she too tall, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, she too tall.
Say like older girls are...
Love big woman, you see me?
Mhm.
Prefer big
Big
woman and
woman.
love slimmers, but she too tall.
Big
So how much you rate
man.
her? Yes, a 7?
I'm a 7, yeah.
Alright. Let's move on. You bust a balloon or your balloon blow?
Burst it.
Why did you burst your balloon?
That's not my type.
Okay. How much did I rate him out of 10?
A 6.
Why money your type?
It's just not my type.
Why money your type?
It's just not my type. I won't say what it's just not my type.
Like, look man, like, cameraman, look, watch out. Yo,
He looks very young.
bro, like,
It's just not my type.
I next big thing, you know. Still support the bear?
Definitely.
What do you think about that?
I have a problem with what she says, see me. As me tell her I love big woman, she a problem with a pretty woman and me also still but I want next giant. So me like give her 7 CM.
7.
Man say one giant.
Alright, let's move on. You burst your balloon or your balloon blow?
I burst it.
Why did you burst your balloon?
This is just not my type.
You're gonna exaggerate on that?
No.
Exaggerate
How
on
much you rate her out
that.
of 10?
You mean elaborate on that?
20, bro.
20?
Yeah, dog.
Yeah,
You
dog.
sure? You want back your balloon?
Yeah,
20 in
dog.
here,
No. Thank you though. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Alright, so I'll be some boss. You never find a match, but
dog.
I say go. You see me? Next time. Alright, so as you know, we don't find no match yet, but as I say, we're still upon it. So we have a next youth with the
Nah, I'm still kind of vexed. Crocs girl not like brown man, you know. Me not like that.
come on right now when we know say one match will find. We believe in that youth. So next. Watch out.
You're confident in him? Like, hold on there. Where are my glasses when I need them? Come wear glasses, you know. I bet you don't never know say Cogency wear glasses. When I find my glasses, I put them on. But bro, you believe in this nigga? Alright.
Hold on.
This don't look good at all.
This
Wait
don't
a
look
minute.
good.
Wait-
This don't look good
wait
at
a
all,
minute.
Rasta.
Hold,
This don't
wait,
look good
first
at
of all, you're
all.
not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
That's what you just say.
I really go on my boss. Eh?
I pool first.
I wonder, like, I don't know, maybe, as I say, maybe there's some like a fault happen with the balloon them. Maybe a balloon them rotten and bust. No, she said just bust by itself. Maybe they're rotten, so we have to ask them. So your name, G?
Charge brain.
So where do you charge it?
TikTok influencer.
Where's a TikTok influencer?
Charge your brain.
Charge brain. One charge brain, man. Everything, man.
Charge your
Instagram,
brain.
YouTube, everything.
One charge your brain. People
Charge
follow
your
him.
brain.
Alright? So we can start from over here. We can
Big up
we can start
charge your
from
brain.
over top, over top. Left down yourself last.
I didn't
Alright.
want it to
Alright, go.
See you later. I hope you all come to 100 Girls, Hennessy Lifestyle, and have a good one.
What do you mean? Come and
Mm.
understand.
No, we don't understand. Why you burst the balloon? I know promotion in the pan.
Now make a cup of coffee.
And your cup of coffee. So much should I rate him out of 10?
Can I get one solid 7?
7? Look how money attack. That's 7 in the sound, sure. How much you say you give him? That's 7, man. Sound like with confidence, man.
7, yeah, man.
Alright. How much should I give him, boss?
6.
6. You get one less than what you give him.
I'm finna say if you mark that.
Yo, come on, come on.
You know, by the time you get the right score.
You get the right score.
Yeah, 'cause you know me much need. I mean, no, I know my type.
I know your type that. Why I know your type? Hey, uno can sit. Alright, why I know your type?
Yo, me not like that girl up on the end, you know. Me not like, yo. From the start of the video, me not like her, and she just do more things make me not like her. You know, me have 22 minutes more, and me still not like her. Sometimes I forget which camera me I use, but the light is coming from right here. But anyway, me not like that girl there, you know, man. Ciao.
Can't say anything.
Anything you want, Seven?
More, you show your and brazier.
She should have been on Brazil. Why?
Yeah, I know ready.
Like I breast them too big or
Yeah, too big. Can you show your and brazier and just fluffy up so, isn't
fluffy
it?
or so?
Yeah, yeah.
What do you think about you wearing a Brazil next time?
Argue with him. Man, no.
So tell the
That's
truth.
fine. Because my girls did say that to me downstairs, so that's
Oh,
fine.
okay. So I chew with him at that.
Yeah, so that's okay. No offense to that.
Alright, move on. So, why you burst the balloon?
No offense, but
The whole time I did there look on her side boob, you know. I mean I say, yeah, look like it kinda and then the armpit fat with the and I was going to feel sorry for her. But then I remember saying I not like her. So I not feel sorry.
So, why you burst the balloon?
no offense, but it's a numerous of things. For starters, I like well-groomed men, when it comes on to.
No, but I know you are well groomed but in Baba when fly out. You understand? So you have to give him a chance. In Baba will fly out. So I wonder if when in Baba come back and in groom up, you think things are like different like you know bust a balloon?
Well, I would still burst it because, as I said, it's not just about grooming facially, but attire as well. I feel like attire is also a bit off, but them shoes on point still.
Yeah.
So,
White shirt and black hair first.
yeah, the pants kind of show me off still.
Let's say pants are trail.
Yeah, no offense, but it kind of show me off.
Brand new and fresh.
Shoes clean still.
She was clean. So how much did I give him out of 10?
5, yeah.
5.
Him never like that. Him never like that.
Yeah, yet still come like same as my like girl and I can move around so I'm like yeah yet.
So she
I yes, babes, you know say everybody way forward a gear lesser score than me. The hurricane reach already. At 12 o'clock, you know. And thunder roll like roly poly. Anyway, baby, you say how them hurricane reach for me and you should have lock up with the hurricane right now, you know. I hug up each other and make sure say we're good and safe together, you know. I'ma just bust off in a year one time and give you sorry. Too far. Let me play the video. What's wrong with me, dog?
so that means that she never bust her balloon, should that be a perfect match?
No really.
What would make her perfect?
No, not really. See, mama natural and everything, but me not like neighboring business. I like my girl natural than that.
So you know, like no form of piercing.
No, not really piercing the fairness.
Okay. Alright. Shh. Only wait for the 10 one. Sorry. Alright. Where you bust your balloon?
Just not my type. You look old.
You look old.
Yeah.
You like younger guys?
Yeah.
Alright. You should have bust her balloon, should that be a match?
Yeah, can go on, see have a shape and everything.
Okay. How much should I rate her out of 10?
That year I hate still.
Yet.
Yeah.
How much should I give her out of 10?
I give him a 5.
5?
5, 6.
Alright. Move on. Boss, don't worry yourself. Are you bust a balloon or your balloon fly away? So you say, why you bust a balloon?
Go shot.
Into a shot, that's all.
Skin complexion.
You know, like black man.
Too short. Brother, look how tall this thing is where them stand up under. Him and she, him taller than she right now, you know. So which part of him too short? Or is it just a panel of short people? Cause that may get for realize from where they, you know, bro. A lot of times when I watch YouTube videos, I don't realize how short majority of people in the world are, you know. Like, I'm taller than most people on the planet. And sometimes I forget that. But, at the same time, how tall she want her man them to be? Because, you know what I'm saying? I like you, baby girl. Your skin nice and clean and pretty. And you have two nice big titties. So, what's going on? In the
But that
morning.
can't fix you, can go bleach a morning.
What?
Still on your type.
Mm-mm.
You ever go down Mr. Chin?
You look like my father.
You look like your father.
Not much.
How old you look to you?
Okay, you look like 35.
35.
Yes.
Yeah, how much, my boss?
34.
34. You're wrong.
So close.
Oh, you're wrong.
So close.
You're not that old. You're just a 35 and I'm a 34. So, how much did I rate him out of 10?
3.
3?
A tree?
Alright. So, my boss, how much did I rate her out of 10?
Nah, again, I rate this guy now, talk the truth.
Where's it I get? What if you say she not talk the truth with?
The age have nothing to do with the charge, you see me? Remember, say me a big man in a man and me have youth already. So, you ever see my daughter? You see me? Yeah, me now go want to come, me left the bleaching alone. Me used to bleach one time, left that to the kids. So, me have it as a pitney. You see me, just a waste of money on bleaching. So, me have it as a youth. Move on to the next person.
Alright, next person. Sorry about that, sir. Alright, next person. Where you burst a balloon?
I just never like him pants. Oh, the pants fit on him like right here support and that was it. But otherwise, he look alright.
Alright, what said him what change in pants? That fix it?
Probably one darker jeans or so and one more loose right here. So
You see, if you want good jeans and want Crocs, go on with that one. Where's the
Yo, she just pretty, dog. Like, when she talks, she just, everything about her aura, her demeanor, her just, like, look at this. Even when I pause, even this screen, when she smile and she laugh, like, everything about her just nice. But I can't shoot my shot. Which is weird, too, because she said she love dark man and him dark. So it's like, my girl, shut up.
should I be a match?
Yeah, mama can go and I see say mama wife material man wake up and make breakfast and then thing there.
Yeah, you see
As
it.
in, yeah. I see them, I read up them on the forehead now, but I feel like I not read up them.
Yeah,
I read up all on the front of forehead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So how much I get out of 10?
Like you're a 9.
Yeah. Yo, brother, mine know you try talk to my woman, you know. Mine know you try lyrics to my woman, you know. But me that go say, you can read people from them forehead for true, you know. Read up them forehead, man. Just look on them forehead, man, and it'll tell you. It'll found in a your forehead. Right here, so. Sorry, talk a phone. Bumbleclaw. Why me I do that? I'm sorry, okay? Okay.
Yeah, cause for my wife material, I give 9 near to 10. One day I go left.
Alright, good. Move on. Where you burst a balloon? Ma'am?
Cause me not like him attire, but in alright otherwise. Just not like how him dress. And you want shave and just that.
No, me explain things saying Bob when you fly out. You fly out.
That.
Hey,
So much
Mama,
I
we
get
fly
out
out.
of 10.
You want 6.
6. What do you think about that, boss?
I have to go to change my clothes. I thank you, mama. I go to have to change my clothes. I see some clothes are my problem. The pants. I don't like my pants. That's why I go still. I not thought that, but I'm good still. I'll give you 9 too.
Alright. Yo! Alright. So you say you get what? 9? Alright. Wait, what do you think about your 9? Say you smile. Alright. Where you burst your balloon?
As I said before, I like big body man. Like I just love the chest thing.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that is fine and everything. But you need to speak up more.
Okay. So wait, but wait there.
Shy. I like when man talk up. No baby thing around here.
Follow. Hey.
You see, big man when you run down a man when you got gym business, now go record for you. Because from then start, lift weights and take your apple cider vinegar. whole of them skin are shrinking. Yeah, so more give one 3.
3.
Yeah, 3. 3. Wrong decision.
So wait there, but wait there. You not no problem. Well then.
Anything when you say we work, anything when you say we work with, you say we talk up, I say we talk up, so me I talk up and talk it truth. So anything when I like you talk it. Everybody burn out my jeans. Me glad.
No, but wait there, you don't mess up boy jeans pants. So you not no problem with the clothes.
Fancy, still not look good, so I get a one day, so.
No, but you didn't give one a while ago.
Me never get to rate him, that's
you
the
never rate
point. Mm-hmm. So taking one and go on.
Yeah.
All right.
No problem. Got some.
All right, let's move on. Why you burst a balloon?
Because it's just not my type.
What is your type?
You soon know what's my type.
When me see them, I know.
Yes.
So what should I rate him out of 10?
What she mean? You soon know. That means that she see somebody downstairs what she like, and she what she mean by that?
I'll give him a 5.
5.
Yeah, well, as I had to say about his pants, but you know, next time you know that, don't worry about that pants. So, yeah.
Eh?
My bone up this panty as me go. Yeah, my name go here for training, but that's how I go.
Okay.
Every woman wants to know that their man is properly put together and properly groomed. You understand? So it's no turn off or no disrespect. You understand? It's just yeah, man. Just saying.
Remember, say me a TikTok and I talk to people all over viral. Yeah, so I choose to deal with facts.
So how much should I rate her?
When I rate her 1 8 for your appearance,
8.
it dress and everything, and you put yourself together for true.
Yeah.
I like that.
So you know, say you have certain high class girl and certain type of girl, you know. But that Mr. Boss, you know you fault them and you just put them together, you know. Start yourself first, now. Come back here, sir. Yes. Why you burst a balloon? Oh, fear balloon fly away. She's the only person who burst a balloon. You ever come balloon? Hold on. You burst a balloon or fly away?
Bursted.
Why did you burst your balloon?
It's just not my type.
What is your type?
Yo.
His attire is just not it for me, and
Okay.
it's just not my type.
But wait, but
She had a little bit more than what she said last round. If she ever did say the same exact thing in a 2 round, I swear to God, we would have click off a video.
attire, but everybody has us about attire. Like, you can't dress him well, like, you know. Sometimes love is not to find that as a love doctor, you know, love is not to find that perfect person, you know. You understand? It's to find that imperfect person and love him perfectly. So if he attire, things we can change. When you say no well groom, him barber fly out as me explain. You understand? So things we can change.
I know, but respectfully, it's just
Why do I stand up there so like 14 while the mother flip them kids? What face?
So things we can change.
respectfully, it's just not.
Okay. So wait a second, I'll fix you. Yes. So wait a second. What should I rate him out of 10? 6. What should I get?
Like you're a 9 still.
Just 9 pints up.
No pint.
9. What do you think about her?
She's nice still, but me feel like I couldn't manage mama's lifestyle, doesn't me? Keep up with mama and then thing they come know saying go on nice up and saying. So she attack it truth. And me I know in type of truth.
Like like she look expensive?
Yeah.
Expensive, beat in a Panama.
A Jamaica though.
Alright. So you say you like what she dressed though?
Yeah man.
What should I get her dressing?
10.
Yes. Alright, let's move on. Why you burst a balloon?
As in, also me feel about them to still like them look very well, but I wouldn't look them because I can tell like them I gonna want like go out and spend a heap of money and take a heap of picture and do a heap of things that I'm just not into. You know what I'm saying? But they're visually appealing, so they're nice to look at. But I can tell my type is the Crocs girl.
Not my type.
Why is not your time?
I like his complexion though.
You like him? You like black man?
Yeah, his complexion is cool.
Mm-hmm.
But the appearance,
Mm-hmm.
yes.
So yeah, like Akiwata.
Yeah, but I'm fine. I'm alright.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So much I rate him out of 10?
Like
Yeah, 7.
7. Alright. You like in pants, in jeans pants?
Oh no.
In my buzz. You like in shoes though?
Not with the outfit.
No, not with the outfit.
Yeah.
You shall wear one black shirt. Hey, you see if you wear one black shirt, a problem. So how much you rate her out of 10?
I give her 10 same, I same procedure like I'm tell her for matter what they say. So me can't go keep up to her lifestyle because I know she go
Speak,
one
speak
thing.
on that, brother.
Me say me can't go keep up to her lifestyle because I know she go one thing. Same like mom over there say same thing.
All right.
Yeah, but me I give her a 10 for dressing because you come out the whole and come out the chair and come out the different and a party style, different style occasion, as me. So that's why I give them a 10 for dressing.
All
Believe.
right. All right. Thank you, ladies, for coming out. All right. So, my boss, we never find out much, but guess what? Don't give up. All right. We want up on the next show.
Yo, her fire just nice. Me just want to kiss it like, come here. Who you talking to? Who you talk? I love you.
You see me?
Like, look on her fire, dog. Bro, her forehead takes up 30% of her face. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful.
Next.
And she have a
Next.
nice nose too. Like everything about her just nice.
So, we still never find a match. So, we'll call on the next person. All right. So, ladies, listen, we're not type yet.
This will be the last
But
person.
yeah, on the type there, don't worry yourself. So, next person. Next person. All right. All right.
I know. When them natural immortal that.
All right. So, Immortal, don't watch that, Immortal. Don't watch that, Immortal. I'll say, go. Don't watch that. Believe.
Believe.
And then you bust up for the
Believe,
girl
man.
also. So, believe.
Believe.
Believe. All right, so we have Nitro Immortal here, as you know, people. So, we'll ask everybody now why they burst them balloon. Only two-person burst them balloon. All right. Why you burst a balloon?
I burst my balloon because I don't know really, just the height difference
Mm-hmm.
really. That's basically just it. But love the drip, love everything. So
We say love a drip.
yeah, everything good.
So,
Dressing nice.
so much you rate him out of 10.
Awesome.
7. All right, Nitro, what you think, man? How much you rate out of 10?
I give her no 6.
6. No, 6.5.
Mm-mm.
6.
6.
What you say? If
Stan.
Yo, babes. I'm not gonna repeat myself, you know. Every man that forward on the show don't rate you like how I rate you. Because I want date you. So call me.
Star for sure, so.
So should be a match, well?
Mm. No.
No.
Mm-mm.
All right, let's move on. Why you burst a balloon? Are your friend burst a balloon? Why you burst a balloon there?
She told me to.
Me tell her to boss everyone on my balloon.
She told me to because I'm a friend.
But big up to you, you're good youth. And you do good work.
So much I rate him out of 10.
Right, give him one solid 7.
7. How much
She
I
give
rate him, Nacho?
everybody a 7.
5.5.
5.5.
5.5.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right, that is it.
I want Miss Cody when I can start to go on
Why you burst a balloon?
In too short. Too short.
Into a shot?
Yes. Ma look up to me. Oh, camera that.
So much I rate about that 10. So otherwise, funny shots. So if you never shot, it'll be a match.
I give my 8. That's swag.
Here's a give my 8. That a swag. Like, bro, the man can dress. The man, I got hard in him feel. Man popular, well known, have money. But because the man, and you know, so if probably the man link her one away up on a different vibe, the man probably could have get through still. Like, no joke, no funny thing, no rating, just not. I probably should just on camera, she don't want to rain, she want look like she get the perfect match on camera, but I know if, you know, probably different situation. Yeah, maybe, you know, you can get through. Yo, her breast nice still.
All right. Nitro, how much did I get? She get 8.
How much would I give her? Should I give her one 6? 1 6.
6. All right. Where
I
you
like
burst the
her
balloon?
still. I like her
Cause
still.
he shot and me thick and me not think he can lift me up.
Yo, lift her up.
You feel
Lift
so?
her up. Lift
You
her up
feel
right
so?
now.
Cannot lift
Lift
me
her
up,
up.
Mr.
Come,
Big
come.
You feel
Come, make
so?
you lift her
You
up. Come,
feel so?
Nigel, lift her up. No, Nigel. Lift her up. Lift her up.
Back to the show.
Back to you, show. Back to you.
Shout out to you, man.
Much I rate you.
Alright. I like your hairstyle. I like
I never like how she too eager for jump on the man back while I go still, you know. My girl, if you have to just hold it. You see that space up on the railing? A your space this, don't left it. Your body for glue yourself. I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what they want do. Your body fit to stick to what the real like glue. And I band play number 2. Assume position, man. Get back. To your touch up other man. Yo, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. It's not a match. You're right.
You feel
Lift
so?
her up. Lift her up right now. Lift her up. Come, come. Come, make you lift her up. Come, Nigel. Nigel, lift her up. No, Nigel. Lift her up. Lift her up.
Back to the show.
Back to you, show. Back to you.
Shout out to you, man.
Much I rate you.
Alright. I like your hairstyle. I like how your dress and everything matching out. You me just smell and you smell properly. So like some bedroom over so I go get 8 for that. I just because I could shiny some of the thinking can lift me up. I just that type problem.
So, point guy, Jim.
No, but you can't go get taller.
When you get stronger, you can lift up.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go reach me, yes.
So, Nigel, how much I rate her?
I give her 7.5.
7.5.
Baby girl, don't you see that they don't appreciate your beauty? You don't see that? Listen to the scores that they are giving you. I'm literally wearing the same type of shoe wear as you. We can go crack shopping together. Come on, don't make my skin complexion hold you back from a lifetime of happiness. Call me.
Because, you know, breast them small, she round up, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright.
She look like she have Chinese eye.
Yeah. Alright, here's where we have to consider the match, and I think I want match, you know. I think I want match. Alright. Think I want match.
Yo, stop flirting with my woman.
Balloon?
Cousin, like he dress nice and he sweet
The girl here remind me of Intense.
and thing, but hi.
You know saying sweet like it, yes?
No.
Yeah, about nothing right.
Yeah. Alright. So how much did I rate about that then?
I give her 8.
8. Nitro, how much I rate her that?
Shoot like one of them body there, so. I give her one. Let me think about it.
All up and think about it.
One 8.
8. You get 8.
Body.
Body. Alright. So she never burst the balloon, that means there should be a match.
You don't know. Can't believe no man.
Believe. Alright, believe. Inside believe.
Believe that man.
Oh, you don't burst the balloon. Don't move. We're coming back to you. Come on, come on. Come on, Nitro, come. Why you burst the balloon?
Just the height. He's well groomed. He look nice, I could say. But it's just the height for me.
But that you have an heels make you taller than him.
Even if I take off the heels,
You're still taller than him?
I'm 5'7".
Nitro, how much?
Me a 6'6".
Tall. Cliff. Tall, Cliff. Alright, how much did I rate him?
Yeah, I'll give him a 9.5.
Alright, so when the surgery, like, come here, someone new surgery thing come out the way they can make you taller? It'll be a match.
If he was taller, yes.
Work for your height. How much? You rate
Yeah, 9.5.
9.
Because of the height.
Hey, you see if you're tall, you get a 10, you know? How much did I rate her?
Yeah, 10. Because, you know, she look like one of them. Believe no man. Standards.
Believe the man
Yeah.
standard.
You have to respect them.
Standard.
Yeah, just by looking at her. Believe.
Alright.
Thank you.
That is it.
Yeah, no, fuck still,
Just
fuck
like
still.
just the height for me. But his appearance he looks good.
Your sister give 9.5, how much should I give?
I'll give him the same.
Alright, because they think I like my sister, them a twin.
Yeah.
Them a twin.
Yeah. Alright, carry on.
If he's I see a person I talk to 2 times.
Me I see double Z.
So what should I give her?
A twin, so
Same.
know, he balance. I like 10.
Alright. Why you burst a balloon?
Yes, yes, man. Man, not to claim up the twin them, cause the twin them just look very hype. Them look very stuck up. And me, you can't see it. Me mad. So them look good, but I feel like we wouldn't get along. You see, I feel like them woulda like look at me like my mad. You know what I mean? So, but I feel like the Crocs girl. Man, not stop, you know, Crocs, baby. Hey, crocodile teeth. Crocodile feet. Jesus Christ. Yo, I'm quick with it. Crocodile feet. Come here.
He's short.
Sorry.
Yes. I'm too tall.
Okay. So how much
God, I don't know why you make me short. But I must be a reason. Yeah.
Yo, I wonder if I sound dwarf girl you have to start date. What do you think? What do you think?
Believe.
Believe. Alright, so that's how much I rate her.
I give 8. Tell you the truth. Yeah.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so one person with the 2 person of us no burst them balloon. So why you no burst the balloon?
You look good, you dress good, you smell good, everything is on fleek, but I just don't like your eyes.
But you never burst the balloon, but it's like
Else it's fine.
Oh.
You tattoo catch me. Yeah.
okay, so that means that like you know really it wouldn't be
Just
A deal-
but everything else is fine.
okay.
Yo.
Alright, so that's not a deal breaker, well.
Right.
So you work with the height.
Well,
Because
I think shots, no, but
Can
you know
work.
how him dress and how him look.
yeah,
Like,
overweight.
yeah.
I say, don't judge a book by its cover.
Yeah.
No, so?
Me don't know, I might try say, but maybe I might try say some other things style. Me don't know. Me not put no word in them.
I've got done big tree, but
Yes.
not this one, baby.
So how much did I rate him out of 10?
Game one 9.
9?
5.
9.5. See it? I look a 5. Make you not get it at your height, you know. So now how much I rate her?
She never pop
Yo,
it.
why she a smile so dog? Why she look so giddy for do this? But she a talk about say she don't want him. I lie she a tell. I lie she a tell. No man, I lie she a tell, man. I lie she a tell. She want him. She want him. You can't fool me. 2 plus 2 equal 4 and me have 2020 vision in a 2024.
The balloon for me, so. Half you want 10.
10. 10. Alright. Alright. So, one more person ever pop them balloon? Alright. Hello. Why you never pop your balloon?
Cause I'm alright. I'm alright.
We say you look like you're tight now.
Not really. But you know I'm alright.
Then why you never pop your balloon and say no really?
Because I'm alright. Just a
Alright.
base of
So you can work with well?
Yeah, you can work.
Alright. So Nitro, what you say about her?
Me not like them something there, you know. And she a look on the girl them for validation as well. You see? Yo, you just have to look in a dog, analyzationary mentality, mentality. Look, bro, she's doing this for validation, bro. She doesn't actually think that, bro. She actually likes him. She thinks he's a nice. She thinks he's a nice looking young man. From the man walking, bro. I just gotta do this quick because my people, you know. My people, she a laugh when the man walk up because everybody else pop, but she not pop. You understand? And guess what? At the start as well, the girl them all a move around. Watch this, 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 watch this. So, the black girl.
So we still gonna find a man.
She at the end, what me not like, she's been at the end the entire video and decide for move right here, so for some strange reason.
So
Just being annoying as usual. I tell you, I don't like that girl from the start of the video, and I still don't like her.
we'll call on the next person.
Look,
Alright?
look.
So
Standing here, for regular as usual,
ladies, listen to type it.
and then just walk and just move. Like, why? Why you moving? Dog, like, you just, oh, like, you see when, oh my God.
Wait,
Watch it. And then she just move herself. She not even say excuse. She just. Yo, there's a lot of things I can say. But I gotta calm down. I gotta keep the cool. But anyway, I stick to what I'm here to analyze.
Type there, the word itself. So next
So push her down, you know, show her say, and then she look at the camera, see, so she knows so the camera see it. So the camera see you get pushed away.
person.
And then she say, yo, you know, you're in a my space now. Me now go move down at the end, so you come down.
Next person.
Yo, is she pregnant? Why her belly look so? You see me? Push her down. Everybody a pop. She a laugh.
Alright.
She a look. She like him. You see she look pon him, you know. Hold on. You see she look. She look back on the camera. She like him, you know.
Alright.
She like him.
Alright.
Everybody a pop.
And if I'm
Alright, so Immortal, don't watch that Immortal. Don't watch that Immortal. I say go. Don't watch it. Believe.
Really?
And then you bust up for the girl bust up. So believe.
She a try laugh.
Believe.
She a
Alright,
try
so
laugh.
that's
You see? She a try laugh with them right there, so you know, and them not laugh with her, you know, them a laugh by themselves. Every time she laugh, you see like she look upon them and like turn her body language towards them. It's like she a try get some validation from them, brother.
Here, as you know people, so but ask everybody now why they burst them balloon. Only
And you see her
only two
look back
person
up,
burst
look
them
back up.
balloon. Alright. Why you burst the balloon?
You see me? So she like him from the starting, and then now when the man reach at the end, she got talk about him alright. Brother, who a go want get chosen by somebody that says they're alright? Who a go want get chosen by somebody that say that? You alright? Alright? Boy, you say no, me look good. Yeah, me like how you look. Yeah, you look like my speed, my type. Said that. Bro, nobody no want nobody will say, oh, you're alright. Shut up. You alright.
Alright. I'm alright.
We say you look like your type now.
Not really. But, you know, I'm alright.
Then why you never pop a balloon here, so no
Shut
really?
up.
Because
Shut up.
I said
Alright.
based off
Shut
So you
up.
can
You don't
work
know what
with
you want. You don't know what you want. You
Alright.
don't know what you
So
want.
Nitro, what you say
Shut up.
about
Shut
that?
up.
Believe, man.
She say you can't work with.
She never pop a balloon. Believe.
Alright, so now we have two person who pop them balloon. So Nitro.
Yo, Slimmers, hold on there.
Believe.
Alright, so now we have two person.
Hello, Slimmers. Hey, baby. Hey, baby girl. Hey, what you doing over there? Hey, you single? You ready to mingle? Call me.
To pop them balloon. So Nitro, you can ask them one question.
So wait.
Hmm?
You left with love today?
Yeah, left with love, Nitro. Two of them now. Alright, so Nitro, you can ask them one question. Yeah. And then based anything, ask them any question. And then that can help you to decide which of the balloon them your burst.
True. Alright. Me think boy question.
Mm-hmm.
Me ask you first. Actually, right?
Yeah.
Well, let me think. Alright.
She have a really nice smile, by the way. She has a really nice smile. She's a very gorgeous woman.
Hold on.
Hold on, the rain start. Jesus Christ. Hold on, I'm gonna hurry up and finish the video. The rain start. The hurricane start.
It have to reach in our relationship so we have sex. Like how long?
A month.
A month.
A month?
A month.
What do you think about that? A month?
That's something.
Life I move fast now. A lot of things happen in a month.
Not everything is about sex, but a month. And it depends on how you treat me and how it go. Like, yeah, that shit turn me on, so maybe I get it less than a month.
Alright.
Just being honest.
Everybody have big people just based on, you know, how things are moved.
Yeah.
So, less than a month. She know?
We can deal with less than a month still. Or a month.
You can
alright.
wash, cook and clean. And you can wash, cook, clean.
Yes.
Like when you wash, you can make it scrub sound.
Scoops.
Alright. So based on it, as we say, which one of them balloon your burst? And which one of them you walk with as a match? Hmm?
I say, I fight for some hour.
Unless if them agree. If they agree, so I say, you both want to date him? Eh?
Sharing.
You know mind? Alright, so as I said, Nitro walk with two. They said they don't mind sharing, so take
Them
it
no
away.
mind sharing. Yo!
Alright, take it away, sir. Yo!
Yo, that bad. No, that bad. But guess what? Wait, name Hurricane Beryl. Hurricane Berries. Hurricane Berries, man, reach. So guess what? Reaction of a breach. But done anyway, video done. Big up Almighty Nation. Immortal walkway with two gal at the end. So you don't know style and swagger always wins, always prevails. So just remain confident, believe in yourself, and just put yourself together. Just remain clean and fresh. And just talk to the girl them nice. And you can squeeze them breasts. Pump up a lot. Me artist. In my free time. Anyway. Coach and saying I'm out. Like the video. Peace out, motherfucker. Hey.